Hey guys, so today is gonna be a English video. If you're not new to this channel, you knew that I was doing Spanish videos, but for today I'm going to start off by doing like English type of videos, daily vlogs. So if you like those type of videos, then subscribe and like this video for more. For today's video is going to be like a daily what I do in my life, and it's going to be like voiceover, but I'm going to leave some parts without speaking for you could enjoy. So I start off my morning, or well, today I started off my morning washing a couple of dishes, and because I left some couple of dishes, I was also seasoning some chicken. I'm also doing laundry this morning. I'm very active today. As you see, I was wearing pajamas still because that's when my morning started. It was around like 11 o'clock. So as you see, I'm taking out some clothes that already had dried, for I could move it on to the top. But I was very active today. I'm just gonna leave you watch and enjoy. Okay, it's gonna be time for cooking. As you see here, this is chicken breast that I have. I seasoned it with paprika, some Dominican seasonings, garlic, pepper, black pepper, I'm sorry, lemon, oregano, a lot of Dominican seasoning, and I really love how this chicken tastes. So I put on the pan was coconut oil. um, I've been eating super healthy for about 3 months, and I'm getting, addicted to it, and I've lost a lot of weight. I'm sorry. I lost like 25 pounds, so over 25. As you see, the chicken, I let it's not burnt. I just like my chicken with some color and very well cooked. The leftover chicken, I put it in the freezer, seasoned, and next time I'm gonna do it, I'll just take it out and cook it. So right here, I'm cutting out some lettuce because I didn't eat rice today. Well, I don't eat rice. If I'm like craving rice, I will eat quinoa. I don't know if that's how you say it in English, quinoa, something like that. So as you see, my lettuce, and here I'm drinking a little Starbucks, a pink drink. I love it. And right here I'm showing you my iPhone wallpaper I love. So now it's time for my nails. So yesterday I went to a water park. My nails were painted, but everything just came off, and I had to really like fix it again. I do my gel manicure at home. So right here I'm adding like a little lotion to remove my cuticles and take off the dead skin off my nails. I love doing my nails at home now. I used to go to the nail salon like every 2 weeks to do my nails, and I feel like it was taking me a lot of time, and I was wasting a lot of money. So I'd rather do it at home for now, and I actually like how they look. I bought this gel nail polish set on Amazon. I will link it down below, and I brought everything that I'm using in this video is from Amazon, so I will leave it in the link below, and I love it. As you see, I painted it purple and it came out so good. I love them. It's like a really light purple color. So right here, I forgot to record a little bit more, but the last thing I did was fold all of these clothes, and it took me some time, but I finished. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below what kind of other videos you would like to see. But I'm going to be doing daily vlogs and my daily life, what I do in my day, and Amazon favorites and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.